I mean, I grew up the same way. I used to have this thing where I would say, in my family, we didn't discuss finances, money, credit, banking. All I was taught was to save money. But you can't save your way out of poverty.
Right.
And that was something that I learned. And as I've traveled this country and been working with people for over 10 years professionally, the thing that I've learned, Adam, is that the brain only knows patterns. So if we grew up amongst that where all we knew was eating syrup sandwiches, at least that's what we ate in my household, or poverty, or however one grew up when it came to the lack of, that's all you know growing up. You don't understand the difference between saving and an investment account. You don't understand the difference between an entrepreneur versus getting a job because it's two totally different worlds.
Yeah, I used to describe my family this way. I would say, you guys are in save a nickel mode. I'm in make a buck mode.
I like that.
And you can save all you want, but if you're just saving nickels, it's not going to add up. Get out of saving every nickel mode and get into make a buck mode. Meaning, don't be a defensive fighter, be an offensive fighter.
Right.
Move forward. You could beat Mike Tyson if you move forward. If you try not to get hit by Mike Tyson, then you're going to get hit by Mike Tyson, and it's going to be a short night. Right. So, be in make a buck mode, which no one in my family ever got into because they were sort of fear-based. Right. I realized they didn't trust themselves or the system or whatever it was. And maybe it was a situation of, look, they didn't have much money. They weren't much good at this. And it would have been kind of painful for them to admit that they were essentially failures.
Well, I think some of it came from the marketing from banks. You think about banks make money off of mortgages. Banks make money off of the backs of people putting their money into savings accounts. So if someone puts $100 into the bank lends out at least 90 of it, and they keep, $10 of your money there, and you're making interest off of the least amount of the money that they keep of yours. Whereas someone like yourself or myself, who's an investor, we take that $90 from the bank that we can borrow tax-free, and we go make more money off of the person who saved the money in the bank.